everyone, welcome to Standard Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to try and do another rose. I think I'm going to be doing a rose series and changing them up a little bit with colors and design. We'll see. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And everybody that keeps coming back and watching, all of my regulars, I love you for it. Thank you so much, everyone. All of your thumbs up, all of your comments, it really does mean the world to me, so keep them coming, okay? And please share with your friends even. Let's try and get my channel a few more views. I need all the help I can get. Alrighty, this is the rose I did last, and it's become very popular. So I'm going to try and give another whirl at the rose using the bloom recipe with my paints. Love all the piggy pigments and the boom gels. I also have color art pigments as well. But right now I'm going to try it with the boom gels and see. And I think I'm going to go with white. That's going to be my primary color. You never know what I'm going to do. I always change my mind. But we're going to do a black base this time. Greg's going to hit some music. I hope you all enjoy. Thanks again for joining me. Let's have some fun. Hit the music, hun.
Tell you I'm leaving. How long can I stay? I tell you I'm shaking. How long till it goes away? I tell you I'm broken. How long can I stand on my feet? I tell you I'm trying, but how much is enough for me? I bring you roses to your place, surround you with angels to guide your when I want. I tell you I'm leaving, but how long can I stay? I tell you I'm shaking. How long till it goes away? I tell you I'm broken. I'm trying, but how much is enough for me? I bring you roses to your plate, surround you with angels to guide your way. When I'm struggling so bad, I'm lost in my head, you show. When I'm fighting myself, I hope you can reach my love. When I'm struggling so bad, I'm lost in my head, you show. When I'm fighting myself, I hope you can reach my love.
Rainbow roses, I'll pass on red and white. I want roses that represent the colors in my life. Call me a dreamer, but I know I'm not the only one. If I could have it my way, rainbow roses, everyone. There's a light on you turned on when you first opened up your eyes. And I'll tell it to you cause it's true, you know it's not my style of life. And the fact is that I changed when you first came into my life. You're the rock that I can lean on, proof that I did something right. Yeah, light, I am captivated by all these colors. Rainbow roses, I'll pass on red and white. I want roses that represent the colors in my life. Call me a dreamer, but I know I'm not the only one. If I could have it my way, rainbow roses, everyone. Yeah. On the day I met my daughter, I became a different guy. Went from knowing what I wanted to knowing why. And when my son was born, I cried, and as a tear fled from my eye, you could see a father's glory, sense a mother's pride. Yeah, light, I am captivated by all these colors. Rainbow roses, I'll pass on red and white. I want roses that represent the colors in my life. Call me a dreamer, but I know I'm not the only one. If I could have it my way, rainbow roses, everyone. I've never been so high, and I'll never let this raging fire die. Thanks to all the rainbow roses in my life. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Driving through a rainbow on the coast, and in my mirror I picked up ghosts. I said, you got luck in your eyes and a beautiful disguise. She said, let me in, I'll take you for a ride. There's a red moon over me and a black cloud descending. The January birds are flying away. We found your place late at night. The headlights turned bright. In my imaginary storyline, it was just in time. I lived for a while in your head, dreams flying and our thoughts begin to blend. Look at the bigger picture, company. There's a clothesline out back where she hangs her past. Come a little higher with me. And there's a trail near her home where she loses time alone. Come a little